This is our little story and a true thing. Two hearts come together in a mutual ring, keeping it together with a real life. Welcome to the family, this is our life. It's perfect. I'll just set you here for me. You're the sugar to my tea. Meet the Mitchell family.
Hi guys, so I put a little message up on our community page to ask if you guys wanted to see a video of all the packages that we got. Some of them are from our Mailpac PO Box, and some of them are just things that we ordered online, and you guys said yes, you wanted to see a little unboxing and a little haul, which we actually filmed yesterday. But since then, 2 more packages came, so I just was gonna open them quickly. So let's see what's inside.
Well, this one's mine, right?
Both of them are for you guys, and this one comes from Dawn, Dawn who's in Cayman, and I actually know what this is because it says snacks. So Dawn knows the drill.
What if it's not a snack?
It is. She actually sent us a message on email and she was like, I know what it's like to have to, you know, have so many kids around, and so I'm sending snacks, which I thought was very sweet. So this is from Dawn, first cousin Dawn. Okay,
and big up to all MTM family in Cayman.
Yeah.
Enough support in Cayman and Tami.
I know.
Trust me.
Look at this, guys. Look what you can do. Open it up.
As in the mix too.
Look at that. So cool.
Snack.
Thank you, Dawn. Let's see, there's another one here. And this is
Mine!
Guys,
this is from Dawn as well.
wow.
What do you guys say? Say thank you, Miss Dawn.
Thank you, Miss Dawn!
Oh, we have another one
What
here.
you say?
Cousin Dawn.
He's like, I'm going to it out. I'm not getting none.
Alright, I have a knife here, so hold on.
Who is this
I
from
don't know.
now?
This is from cousin Dawn again. in
Dawn.
Cayman.
Yeah, and it...
So
Done.
let's see what's in here.
Yes,
Oh,
look,
I can pass this too.
look.
Let's open it up. Let's see what's inside. Oh, let's open this one up. It does say snacks.
It
Alright,
says Ritz, too.
let's see. Open it up.
This feel like Christmas.
Wait.
No lie.
Snacks. Oreo. These are so cute. The size of them.
Bite size.
Wow. Look,
Grab yours, grab yours.
These are the guys' favorites.
Yeah, they love that.
Alright, so let's see what's in this box. Wow! Look at this! Oh my god! That's so sweet! Oh my word! Slim Jims!
Thank you.
Oh my word! This is such a clever gift!
Come. Hey, you got in there snack them already?
Yes,
He starts.
My youth.
you can choose one. And look at this. I think this is for little Oz. Let's see.
Thank you, Cousin Dawn.
Love it.
I don't think you're in mine, you know, but yeah, I'm sure you're welcome.
This is for Osmin.
Wow.
Oh, Ozzy, look. This is for you.
Yay.
No, say thank you.
Wow.
Say Tom.
Wow.
Oh, that's so awesome.
Wow.
You get it? That's awesome.
Wow.
That's so pretty.
So you can sit and play with that.
Okay.
Cool. There you go. There you go, sir.
Take it.
I wonder on the penny section.
Atlas, watch out for this. Watch out for the crumbs, please. No, go and put it in the bin, please.
Feel style like.
All right, there's one more thing in here. Let us see. Look what it is!
Hold on a minute.
Different sets of Rubik's Cube. This one, I can tell it's the hardest one.
Yes! Where's Alex? Alex! He might be studying.
Alex!
2x2.
Look here.
Come now. What? As the boozy having tire now.
This is so kind. She said she takes notes. She said give me the email. I know. That's nice. I just saw the thing in here and it says, out of Dawn's thing, it says, enjoy your gift, Aussie Boozy, from Dawn. And then it says, enjoy your gift towards your grocery bill, which is very sweet. Enjoy your gift, many mouths to feed. It's not a joke. Enjoy your gift, MTM family. Fun levels for all, kids to adults, from Dawn. Grand Kima.
This is heavy.
Alex, cousin Dawn, first cousin Dawn in Cayman sent something and I have a feeling this has your name on it. Isn't that crazy?
A new challenge finally.
Right? You ready for something new though?
Let's look at them, let's open
The
it.
3x3 was getting way too easy.
The 3x, oh my god, look at these guys.
Wow.
Oh my god, so this is a 6. This is a 2x2. So maybe like even Atlas could learn the 2x2.
Wait, what is it?
Or Jax. What? Why is there 1?
I don't know.
Look at this one, bro. Wow.
Oh, it's like cut into pieces.
Whoa.
Okay.
I was like, how do you solve this? One.
Yeah.
Yes, cousin Don, thank you, and like, thank you.
This one looks like the bad boy. How do we decide which one to do next? No way, bro. No way, bro.
Like your bus brain, move it up and shake it up, let me see it.
What do you mean shake? No, I'm too scared. No, leave it. Let it be perfect for one day, please.
Yeah, okay, from that going.
Wow. Okay, so it has instructions. So you're gonna have to look up the algorithms and stuff for this.
Yeah, definitely.
Watch out. Look who can move. Look who don't figure out him time.
And let's see the box for him too, because he loves the boxes.
Thank you, first cousin Donnie.
Thank you, first cousin Dawn. Appreciate it. So now I'm gonna take you to the video of last night. When we opened all the stuff from yesterday. Some of it is from our PO box, like I said, but some of it is just stuff we ordered and just like an extra treat for you guys. All right. Thanks so much for watching. Mwah. Enjoy it. We're still running errands. We're parked up in the parking lot now because I'm about to go in and pick up some packages from Mailpac.
It tastes like that marshmallow.
I don't like how you're making it seem like.
Yeah, you can have it back.
Anyway.
After she done with them, a female pack, them I forgot them.
Or Tami pack.
I will
You
do
like that one?
What them?
Or meet the Mailpac.
Meet the mail. Where am I gonna sit? Right here?
No, come over here.
Okay. I'll sit right here.
Hi guys, so we just got back from Mailpac and on looking at some of this stuff, a lot of it is from you guys. So we just wanted to kind of share what we got in our Mailpac PO box and say thank you very, very, very much. So Wayne's gonna be helping me out with this and so with Atlas. And actually Atlas, this first thing is for you. Yeah, this is from Anne-Marie Reynolds and it says to Mr. Atlas Marshall.
Let's
So let
open
me
it.
open it, yeah. Come beside me.
Okay.
I don't know, cut it or anything. So this is from first cousin Anne-Marie. Whoa, let's see what's in here. You open it and look. What is that? It says the adventures of Struggles the Bear. So cool.
There's
And
something
it's by Anne-Marie. So this book is by our first cousin Anne-Marie. It says to Atlas, wishing you so many adventures with your mommy bear. I love this. Thank you so much, Miss Anne-Marie. And look, it's a cool book. You want to go put it in the bookshelf? And we can read it later. Lovely.
There's something else for me.
Nice. All right.
That's for me.
Let's see who this is from.
That's for me.
Hold on. All right, so this one is from Janique Campbell.
For me?
It's for all of us.
Yeah.
This one is from Janique Campbell. So let's see. Thank you, Janique. Let's open it up.
Campbell.
This is like Christmas.
Okay.
All right, let's see. It says kitchen accessories. It's a marinade injector. Love it.
Blood.
Oh my God! It's not for blood. How much you bet me that she saw us doing the
Let's
pork?
open this. Let's open
And
this.
was like,
Let's
instead of sticking it in, you
open
can inject it.
Right.
I love it.
Can I try that?
Well, we'll try it with Momo. She's gonna love this one. A marinade injector. Thanks so much, Jenny.
No. Can I try it with me first?
No, I can't inject you with marinade.
Why?
Because that's not even like an acceptable thing. All right, let's see. I don't know who this is from. This might be from me. Let's see. This might be something I ordered. So let's see. Oh yes, it's something I ordered. You want to see? I didn't want to do this with you here.
Well, you know what? The true challenge is, how many weeks is it going to take for her to order something for me?
Wow. Okay, so the truth is that I got these pens because you remember the other day I said to you that it's really hard to find a 0.3mm pens? Well, I found some. These are by Baby Mikey.
I'm going to see you in your mic pens.
Oh, look how fine this is. Look how fine this is. Oh my word, look how fine that is.
That's a thing?
Yes. Oh, I love it. I'm obsessed with pens, and not only is it fine, it's a very thin pen as well. Yes, this is a good one. And I also got, this is random. You know how highlighters are always these big fluorescent colors? Drives me mad. I got some that's just like nice pastel colors. You see that?
Yellow,
What are those?
orange,
Highlighters.
pink,
Yes.
and green.
Happy about that. All right, let's see what this is now. I don't know if I ordered this or if we got this from someone. Oh, man.
No, we got that from someone.
It says kitchen accessories, but it doesn't say who it's from.
Did you order any kitchen?
I don't remember. Wayne, this is an impossible question. Okay, let's see. Oh, I think I did order this one. I have to show you what this is.
How much do you have for one package? It's all knife on the too.
Oh, I'm so happy. So this is actually this is my stuff. Look at how genius this is. Mom, you're gonna love this. Look what I got for the baby. So, oh no. Okay, this is just a part of it. But I got him these little cups, Mom, because it has a top that attaches onto it that should be here somewhere. And they're like BPA and toxin free. They're biodegradable. Aren't they so nice?
It's a good thing woman and stay like
These are for
man,
the
you know.
baby.
But yeah, stop still, is it?
No, yeah, it has like, I bought these tops, I'll show you, and they fit on any cup. So I'll keep these around.
Wait, fit on any cup? Let me try it.
Careful, careful, be careful.
Love it!
Can I try
Okay,
it?
so maybe a lot of these stuff are from me. These are not yours. Those are for baby us.
What does it mean?
Here, go and play with this box over there. Look at these. Go and play with those. Here, take it over there. Let's see what this is now. Oh,
Can I pop them?
don't pop them too loud.
Pop them.
I don't know who this is from. Drinking cup, furniture cover, pacifier. This is a good box.
You ordered that one too.
Okay, fine, I did. So it just turns out some of these things are from the PO box. Well, it's kind of a fun video still. You get to see a little of the things, some of the things I ordered, which you would never normally see, Wayne. It came! I got a slip cover for the couch out there.
Why you not say tag of it?
It's one of these like fit all. It came! Oh my god, I'm gonna put
Every
this
day
on
I learn
tonight.
something new. We never know. know so that exists.
Oh no. Alright. Oh, see what I was telling you about here? So these are the lids, Mom, that go on any cup and it turns any cup into a sippy cup. Isn't that clever? So look.
You should have think about that.
But you didn't invent it. So you get like these tops and then this can go on anything and it turns anything into a sippy cup. Okay, cool.
Can go for anything?
Yeah, so look here now. Put it over this. You see? And now this is a sippy cup. Isn't that great?
Somebody get rich off of that?
Yeah.
Them for containers too.
Exactly.
You can stretch it over.
Yeah.
My phone ringing?
Oh, and then I can't live without these pacifiers, and I can't get them in Jamaica. They're the MAM pacifiers.
The mom.
Love, yeah, they're from this brand called MAM. It's all I've ever used with the boys. These are susus for us, which I'm gonna actually sterilize tonight and have them used.
Careful, careful.
I have to try this cup since they really.
Those are baby cups.
Oh
They're
no,
big
I got
ones.
some boys, some
Hey,
cups for
hey.
you too.
Hey, mister, careful. Watch out for that. Watch out for that.
These are actually cups for you guys, I
Alas.
think.
For me?
Yeah, see? These are the cups for you.
Can I try this?
See? Nice
Go on, go
cups.
pour some
Again,
water.
it's the bamboo cups again. And it's just a nice, perfect little amount for them. They're not for toys though. So these are great, and they're just a bamboo fiber drinking cup. 100% biodegradable again, non-toxic, BPA free, and they're 8-ounce cups. And so the baby can even use these with those tops. Wayne, you see, I'm not only buying stuff for myself, it's for our
No,
children.
I know. Tami, I know that, Tami.
Oh, and then this is the last thing I want to share with you. So Jackson is a very big reader, and
Where is Jackson?
I wanted to get he reads a lot of books, and I wanted to get a book that we could read together. And one of my favorite books ever, and I think he's finally ready for it, and some of you might disagree, is Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, which is the very first one. So
His brain is old enough.
his brain is old enough right now. It's great reading, and so we're gonna start reading this book together.
Why
So
people may disagree?
some people think that kids shouldn't read Harry Potter, but I'm okay with it. All right,
Sorry, guys.
yay! Mom and I got new susus for the baby.
Saw those.
All right.
What else are you going?
Okay, wait. This is turning out to be more of a haul video. I'm sorry.
I don't know.
Okay.
Do you think I may know next time maybe I have to have something in it so me can
You mean-
fully excited about this too?
You mean haul me no?
How me know?
Cause it's a haul.
Yeah.
Get it? Haul me no.
What name hall?
When you haul things, you get things.
So that's a thing?
Yeah.
A hall video?
A haul video, yeah. All right, whoever wants a haul, should we continue with the haul video or not? Maybe people aren't into this. I think this is my package again, guys. And you see, I'm not sure what is ours and what is the PO Box stuff. Oh, this is a haul video. It shouldn't be in our vlog.
Is that
But I
mine?
think people will enjoy it still.
Is that mine?
No, okay, so.
No, wait, that is mine. That's
What's
mine.
this? This is the mop. This is part of the mop. I'll show you guys this in a
Wait,
second.
what's this?
So I got, you know how, Wayne, don't laugh. What's this? What is this? That little necklace. Okay, so this has a story
You
to it.
actually followed through with that.
Wayne, okay, guys, so the baby sleeps in a little AC, and I always stress out if he's cold or warm or whatever, but mostly I worry that he's cold, even though the AC is set at like 28, so it's a nice room temperature. But you know, sometimes I just don't want to have him in a long pants and socks, all that stuff. So I thought it would be a cute idea, because you know that they can't sleep with a blanket per se, was to get him this little zip up blanket. So
Oh, some can.
Nana, you see, you understand.
Yes.
And so look at this, Mom. Look how genius this is. Yeah, Yeah, but
Jamaica,
but the
we don't
baby
get a North
no,
Pole.
but the baby sleeps in an AC, and that's facts.
See, and it gets on the winter nights coming up.
Exactly. And look at this, mom. So it's a little
Oh.
blanket, but it has a
Is it different
zipper.
like it?
I don't know. And you just put them in here, and then you zip it up. And there, so he can just sleep in his little shirt, and he doesn't necessarily have to wear the long pants anymore. Or he could wear shorts.
Wait.
But
You know
remember
what
the
I mean?
boss I walk now, that's not the umpire from
No,
walk.
this one is for the kids who walk. This is too small for you, Baba.
No, it's not. I can wear it.
Okay, cool. Here, put one hand in.
It's like a shirt.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Oh, this is a little heavy. All right. Let's see if it says who it's from. Again, I don't know. It's hard to tell. All right, this says to Tami. Oh, it's from an MTM, but it doesn't say from who. It just says MTM, Tami, and Wayne. All right, let's see.
For you, us.
You know, this
Alright.
feel like when Melikla we are open the barrel them. God no.
Oh, who is this
Mailpac
from?
Find it from what they you know.
I'm telling you, Wayne, it's like the modern day barrel.
Chefs there, you know.
This is fleecing. It's going to be very warm.
Yeah, I know. What is this? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's gonna be a pot. This is gonna be a pot.
It's a pot, right? Like I saw right? Hold on.
This is gonna be a pot.
Oh my god.
It's gonna be a pot.
Did I really get
It
another
is-
pot?
Yeah.
Oh my god! It's not any pot! It's a saute pot!
Now you go and be excited too.
Oh my god, wait, it's heavy. It's 13 pounds. Can you please pick it up? Oh my god, turn it around.
It's like a wok. So we can do the Chinese food them and the something them.
Oh my god.
Careful.
No, wait, turn it around and lift it up. Look at this.
Mom, we have another one.
It's a cast grilling wok! Daddy is gonna die when he sees it.
I lie.
Ah! Beautiful! It's beautiful!
Oh, sir.
And it even gives you a stir fry recipe.
That is amazing.
I wish I knew who this was from.
Please tell her.
Please message me.
Tell
Oh,
her so she can
I love it. Thank you.
Is ceramic?
Yes, I'm all about the ceramic vibe.
Yes,
It's not ceramic. What they call it? It's a cast iron, but then they do this enamel.
Oh,
Maybe ceramic. I don't know what they call it, but I love it. My pots are building up. When you don't get it.
I do not quite get it, but your
You
energy
kind-
is
you
contagious.
like it.
Your excitement is contagious, and I'm excited for it too.
Oh my god, I can't believe we got another pot.
Supposed to be good.
This is exciting. I just wish I knew he was from. It doesn't say.
No, please, MTM, come on. See if I send a little note or something, or at least a name so we can know. Please make some nice. Give me an Instagram link, give me a Twitter link, or give me a
Instagram anywhere.
YouTube link. Come on now. Talk
Thank
up.
you guys.
Don't bother with the silent
Love that.
generosity around here.
Alrighty, let's see. This is again, I think, from another MTM because it says MTM again, but it doesn't say from who. Okay, guys, so after the MTM, you can put your name. Where it says MTM dash, put your name so that we know who is coming from. Okay? Because I can't see who it's from, but I know this is an MTM thing
It's
again.
the last one.
Yeah, and then I have one more thing to show them that I got. What is this? Is this a popcorn maker? You would never believe that we made popcorn last night. And I was saying how I wanted to stop buying the ones in the bag and I wanted to start. Oh my god! Wait, you said in the car that you would be a popcorn eater.
No, I really want popcorn.
We're gonna make popcorn tonight!
Yeah, with this.
Also, pour the
Kernels!
Wait, we're gonna do with this.
Am I?
No. We need to do with this.
This is so good.
Yeah, it's so good.
So good. Hold this for me, Baba.
Mom, we need to.
There's more in here. Back up, Atlas. Hold on.
What I want to know?
Oh my
What's
God.
that?
It's a coffee press. Enough for just one cup. Mommy,
Can't do
just
that.
what we needed.
Yeah, because I can't do yours. But I know to do that.
You know that one, Nana?
I love
understand
it.
that. I don't
Thank you so much, guys.
There's one more to pop.
And it has
Go on, you
this
can
food
pop
that
it.
goes with it and everything. And this is one of my favorite brands. I don't know how to pronounce it. I always call it
Popcorn.
Voodoo.
No,
That's a
Voodoo,
pop.
It's Bodum.
That's called a popcorn scooper.
Yeah, Baba.
Voodoo.
Love this. And this will be what we make Daddy's coffee.
Yes.
Love that.
Awesome.
Guys, that's so awesome. Please tell us who you are because it doesn't say on here, because after the MTM dash, put your name.
That's right.
Oh, you guys. Love it. I have one more thing to show you guys that I got. And I'm really excited about this. Bring it for me. So, you guys know that I've been wanting...
Maybe too heavy.
It's okay. You know that I've been wanting to get this for a while. I've been talking about how Momo's back hurts her whenever she's doing this thing, or Angie's back, or even my back.
Or even mine.
Wayne, you did this one time.
One
I'm so excited about this. So I used this mop system when I visited my cousin in Florida, and ever since then, it's a mop. So guys, it's this mop. So basically, I'll have to show you in action,
Alright,
but
let me
it
move
has
the box.
it has a spinner in there. Weird. And it has a stick that goes with it. Oh my God, this is very exciting. It's the Oceda one, and I have wanted this for a long time.
Wait, careful.
But I kept saying no, I don't want to get it yet, not yet. And then I did all this research,
It's been.
and so you can adjust it to whatever height you want, and then you just attach this mop, and you can like wash it in the washing machine if you want. I probably won't. And then you put it in here and use a foot pedal, and it spins it out. I'll show you guys one of these days, I'm sure. And then the only other thing I got were some hangers, because I need hangers.
Mega start mop people. See my type of mop
Wait,
that
this,
come out now.
no, I'm ready to mop right now. I don't think you understand.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. We're gonna make popcorn. We're gonna make a stir fry. We're gonna read books because we got another self-published book from another author, which was really great as well.
MTM, the MTM author them enough
We're gonna
out
make
there.
a cup of coffee.
All of that tonight, eh?
Yeah. I'm gonna go sterilize these susus, put my baby in a sleep bag.
She's very excitable people. Very.
No, but this is, guys, this is how you have to get things done.
And then they call you nigga. That's you.
It's true.
My Sandy's gonna die of diseases.
Look at this, Mom.
What up?
It's a marinade injector. Imagine when we make the lamb now and we inject it with the marinade.
You know, so Nana did Nana did pay special attention to when Momo was seasoning the food and getting it clear.
Atlas,
So
please stop me
now
then.
she can actually inject it.
And inject it.
And
Oh
show
my God.
this.
And go deep inside the meat.
Exactly.
Nice.
What's this?
Here for you. Can you watch this show?
That never opened.
I think this is something I ordered again, babe. I'm scared to open it in front of you.
You know, one fine day. something
Wait,
must come
how
from
many
it.
things in here are for me? I bought things for the house and for the children. Oh, I got some earrings. Just some like a cheap earrings. Actually, oh no, it's not the one that I got for you yet. There's some pearls, babe. Nothing exciting. Cheap things, cheap things. This is cheap things. See, just needed some pearls. See? Cheap. Okay.
I am afraid everything.
Who's gonna clean this mess up?
I don't know. Maybe it's me. Because it's not my fault.
Hold on, wait a minute. I'm mixing something out of this mop. Where's the
Wait,
box?
this.
That thing. Oh, see it here? Okay.
Oh, you know, so me see that map up on TV?
I seen on TV. No, you've seen it in my house.
See them up on TV and I say, oh, them up coming like a 20, 25.
Good, so.
You can't sleep on this.
Right, nice but true. And then you put this on here, but you have to like, from what I saw in the YouTube videos, you have to like clip it in. So hold on. Hold on, Atlas, hold on. You go, so.
You watch the review them?
Oh yeah, I've watched everything about this mop. Hold on, Atlas. Let's say step on it, see? Hold on.
Can you have it, look.
And then what you do is after it look like it don't much, you know. But then you wet it up and then you put it in here. Press it now, Atlas.
So you're not going to spin off?
No.
Oh, a different part of spin.
And say wring out the water.
Oh, sure.
Get it?
Yeah.
And then you
You
mop.
can buy back more.
You see that, mommy?
feet.
Yes, I bought the replacement with them.
You have different head?
Yeah.
Is it?
So when you wet it up, so you know, mommy, and you go so, you just put it in here and then you use your foot and pedal, and it wring it out for you. And then you take it out and then you mop the floor. See?
Can I try? Can I try?
Just pretend for a little. Momo going on.
Give me your Amazon card there, we.
I want.
The card.
We in the cart is full again. I was just waiting for this. Christmas is coming, so you have to visit. So you see me. No Atlas! Guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you for joining us for that little haul video and for sending over so many wonderful things for us. We really, really appreciate it.
Yeah, man.
Feels like Christmas whenever this
Your
happens.
generosity is very much appreciated. Thank you so much, MTMers, for making us feel very special.
Yeah, super special, and the kids as well. We really appreciate it. If you want to send us anything to our Mailpac PO Box, of course, all of the information is in the description box. And the description box is located below this video. There'll be a little arrow under our video that will drop down a menu, and it will have all kinds of links in there. Links to my free ebook, links to the podcast, links to our social media pages, links to our family coffee farm and how you can get some of that stuff. Yeah, so check it out for our Mailpac PO Box as well. We love you guys and thank you so much. Hashtag MTM Family. Awesome.